Hey YouTube, what's going on? Just checking back in with you here. I just want to show you a quick setup of the Smart Life app. It's going to be your app here in blue that I'm pointing to. You want to download this app to control your Smart Life bulbs. There are many different brand names to those bulbs. The one in particular I'm going to do today is, I believe it's a Jaja Tech. But if you look on Amazon, if you type Wi-Fi bulbs that work with Smart Life or Wi-Fi bulb Smart Life, it'll bring up a bunch of different bulbs. They're all pretty much made the same. They all have a built-in hub in them, so there's nothing extra. It's just the bulb itself with everything built in. The one I'm going to do is it's an A19 style bulb. I got it plugged into a lamp here, which I'm going to show you in a moment. But the app here, you want to download the app from either iTunes or Android. Once you download that app, it looks like this. Go ahead and open that app. Mine is already logged in. If you don't have an account, you're going to have to create an account. Real quick and simple. You can see I have a bunch of groups of lights here, man cave, pool table lights. Even outside in the garage, I can control the lights. These lights, again, are Wi-Fi enabled lights with their own built-in hub. Can be controlled via Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world. You can control these lights from your phone just using your data. They can be set on schedules, random schedules. You can, pretty much, have them come on and off at any time. So let me go ahead and add a bulb here. I'm going to show you really quick. So up in the upper right hand corner here, you're going to click the add button. It's going to scan for nearby devices. Once it finds the device, it's going to go ahead and ask you if you want to connect to it. If you do choose to let it scan, you can wait for it, or you can just go directly to lighting devices. I'm going to just do it that way. And if you look up here, it's telling you that the light should be blinking, and I have it inside of a lamp socket here, and it's doing a slow blink here. So what I'm going to do is go back here to the tablet. Sorry about the blurriness. I'm going to go ahead and confirm that the light is blinking. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my Wi-Fi password. I'm going to take the phone away for a moment. So once you add your Wi-Fi password, it's going to start connecting to it. Sometimes this takes up to about maybe 3 minutes at best, depending on your Wi-Fi speeds. Mine generally starts out kind of slow, but then it starts zipping right around the 20-30% mark. See, so it just zipped through. Now it's connecting. And then you're going to go ahead and give it a name. I'm just going to leave the same name on here. I call it the Man Cave Table 2 light because I have two tables down here, and this is the second light of the 2. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that name. I'm going to click done, and then right away it opens up the little application for the individual light. Like I said, you can group these lights, but I'm going to show you the light in action here. I'm going to click the power button real quick on it. Power it off, power it on, and then right here, you could just kind of touch on the logo. You could probably see in the background a little bit that the light's turning on, turning off. So, like I said, you can set timers. You can add schedules, times you want it to turn on and turn off. Right now, I don't have a schedule on these because I don't really use these particular bulbs unless I'm sitting on a couch nearby. So, let's back out here. Let me show you some of the different colors here. That was the Man Cave Table 2. So I'm going to go and turn it back on, and here are some of the colors on the color wheel here. So you could just swap off different colors. You can set the brightness. How many colors it has, who knows? But it's got a bunch of colors, and the colors are pretty spot on. For a $12 bulb, I'd say this is a steal. So you can find it on Amazon. I'll try to leave some links below to a lot of the different brand name ones. But the ones that I leave on the link below will all work with the Smart Home app, Smart Life app, I'm sorry. And also they will be able to be controlled by Google Voice or Alexa. That's pretty much it. Thank you. I just wanted to kind of give you an in-depth way to set these lights up. I will do more videos. Hopefully this answers a few questions for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will do my best to continue to put out some videos that will actually show you how some of these things are set up. Thank you.